So check this out. I came up with something new. How about my loaded Birria taco cheese fries? Yes, I said it. With my homemade verde sauce I made. And some cream. Stay with me because I'm going to show you how I did this. Onions, cilantro, lime, the flavor. And I smoked it too. Okay, so we got our chuck roast. I use this kind right here. So after we started, we're gonna add a little garlic powder to it. This right here is some onion powder. Horse pepper. With the chili powder. Got some smoked paprika. I love this right here. Before you flip sides, you're gonna just pat it down. Mash it down. Got some Mexican oregano. We're gonna put this in the fridge overnight for at least 10 hours. So I just took it out of the refrigerator, and this is what we got. I sprinkled it with a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. This is what we got before we put it in the smoker. Right here. So we got it on right here. We're gonna close it up. So now we're gonna make our sauce. Look what we're doing. We're gonna wash out these jalapeños. Now you know I think we call it tomatoes, you know. Take the husk off of them. This is my first time. Jalapenos and put the top off. Now added some garlic. Now we have some garlic, some onions, some tomatillos, some Roma tomatoes, and some jalapenos. We're gonna take about 40. One of those right there. So taking me some boiling water. Put it into my dish. These chilies and put them in there. Submerge it, and then we're gonna cover them up. Hydrate it. I'm gonna stir up the water. We're gonna add 2 cups of beef broth. Then we're gonna add our chilies in there. Throw them in there. That's kind of powerful. Almost making a mess. This right here is not done. We just put it in the smoker to get some of the smoke flavor. So now we're going to take our salt, pour it into the bottom of this pan, this Dutch oven. Now we're going to do is take our chuck roast and put the produce on it. And just fold this in here
best you can. We're gonna add some of this beef broth. Make sure it covers it up. Now this goes in the oven at 300 until tender, so there's no time, until it's tender and fall apart. Pour on roasted vegetables right here. Combine this. We'll add a little bit of lime juice. The juice from one lime. One half. Get some cilantro. I'm gonna toss it back in here. All my cilantro or lime juice. Now you just take your verde sauce, put it into a container, and put it in the fridge. Let all the flavors seal together. So here we go. All right.